Hey everybody, it's Ali Flores again with OrlandoVacation.com, and we're going to be giving you some more tips and tricks how to make your Orlando vacation that much better. What are we going to be talking about this time? Well, I'll tell you right now, we're going to be talking about the top hotels near SeaWorld. Okay, let's get into that. You're planning a trip to SeaWorld, you want to know what the best hotels are near SeaWorld Orlando. Well, don't worry, we got you covered. And of course, if you haven't done this yet, and why haven't you? I've been telling you forever. Yes, you. Click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified of new and helpful videos for planning your next Orlando vacation. All right, let's get to this list. First on our list is the Holiday Inn Resort, Lake Buena Vista. This resort is less than 15 minutes away from SeaWorld Orlando. It has an oversized outdoor pool along with poolside activities. They have giant chests, checkers, and also offer poolside movies. Guests can grab a drink from the poolside tiki bar and lounge by the pool while they're on vacation. Holiday Inn Resort Lake Buena Vista has plenty of entertainment for the kids as well. They have a cyber arcade that features plenty of games. There's racing games and claw machines, just to name a few. The resort also offers on-site activities for the kids. For guests that are wanting to remain active while on vacation, which by the way, you're going to be active anyway. You're going to be walking around the park, you're chasing your kids. Holy cow. But if you need that extra activity, don't worry. This resort has a fitness center. It's available 24/7 just for you, not anyone else, just you. No one else can use it, just you. Their fitness center has TVs so you can watch your show while working out, has dumbbell sets and stair steppers among other equipment. Just because you're on vacation doesn't mean you can't still work out. But why would you? Oh my goodness, look at that. This is vacation. This is what it's about. This was spring 2021, winter 2020, and it doesn't go away. It's happy. Okay, Holiday Inn Resort Lake Buena Vista also includes a shuttle service that will take guests directly to not just SeaWorld, but all the resorts, Walt Disney World and Universal Orlando Resort as well. This means once you get settled in at the hotel, all you have to do is register for the shuttle and relax during your vacation. No need to drive anywhere. How great does that sound? This resort is also, get this, pet friendly. That means you can bring your furry friends with you on vacation. Keep in mind, this is an additional cost, and you need to make sure that you let the front desk know ahead of time so they can make proper arrangements. And get this resort also has a program on site that lets kids eat for free. Yeah, free. Up to 2 kids, 12 and under, can dine for free with a paying adult. Now, not only can you save some money on these free shuttles, but you can save money on free meals too. Boom! Money saving. Holiday Inn Resort Lake Buena Vista is honestly a great place to stay during your Orlando vacation. Next on our list, we have Element International Drive near SeaWorld. This hotel is only 5 minutes away from SeaWorld Orlando and offers pet-friendly accommodations for guests traveling with their furry companion. If you are going on vacation with your pet, keep in mind there may be additional costs. Another great thing about Element is that they offer complimentary breakfast. Yeah, you and your family can eat for free before heading to SeaWorld. This can easily cut costs down on your vacation and can save you a bit of time since you won't need to worry about where you're going to eat. After you get your free breakfast, which, by the way, breakfast that's free tastes way better than breakfast that you have to pay for. All right, so once you got your free breakfast at Element, maybe it's time to ride the free shuttle over the parks. There's a lot of free, there's a theme here. That's right, this hotel also offers a complimentary shuttle service to SeaWorld, Aquatica, as well as Universal. All you need to do is talk with the front desk to get registered for it. Honestly, once you get checked in, there's no need to worry about transportation, which is great because you're on vacation. Then, when you get back from your day out at SeaWorld, feel free to lounge in the pool while the kids play in the splash zone. If it's a chilly night, maybe you'd rather sit outside on the patio and cozy up near the fire pit, which is perfect for August in Orlando. Nothing screams August in Orlando like a warm, cozy fire pit. Either way, you're sure to have a relaxing stay. If you're trying to stay active while on vacation, Element has a couple of different things to help with that. With a 24-hour fitness center on site and their Bikes to Borrow program, guests can remain active all hours of the day. The Bikes to Borrow program allows guests to borrow a bike and a helmet and ride down International Drive to one of the many attractions or dining locations it has to offer. It's an awesome feature Element offers to guests staying on site. Another hotel located only 5 minutes away from SeaWorld is Aloft International Drive near SeaWorld. Aloft International Drive is actually a sister property to Element International Drive. So, what does that mean? That means they were born two parent hotels. They love each other and made a brother and sister. These hotels are located right next to each other and actually share the fitness center, pool, and splash pad with each other. So regardless of which one you may choose to stay at, you'll still be able to use both. This is great to keep in mind in case you had your heart set on one that's no longer available, but the other one still is. Look at that. Aloft also offers pet-friendly accommodations in case you're wanting to bring your furry friend along for the trip. Just remember, this may be at an additional cost and you'll need to let the hotel know so they can make arrangements. Aloft has a few different areas on site where guests can relax and enjoy themselves as well. They have a WXYZ lounge, just for alphabets, where guests can mingle with friends and enjoy food and drinks right inside the hotel. Guests can choose whether they want to sit at the bar, if they'd rather be in the lounge. They also have a refuel area where guests can buy snacks or get a coffee to go before they head to the parks. And last but certainly not least, located about 15 minutes away from SeaWorld, we have Coco Key Hotel and Water Park Resort. This hotel includes access to Coco Key's on-site water park. That's right, you heard me. This hotel has its very own water park. The water park includes 14 different water slides along with mini slides, water spouts, and a zero-entry pool. They've got water cannons, a massive water dump bucket, and they're home to Coco Key's Boomerango. Boomerango is a 60-foot water slide that sends 2 rider tubes down and up a half pipe. If you don't get enough thrills at SeaWorld, this one will surely give it to you. If you're not interested in the water park, that's fine. Coco Key also has a giant 6,500 square foot arcade. The arcade games range from racing games to air hockey. There's plenty for everyone to enjoy. Coco Key Hotel also offers complimentary shuttles to SeaWorld and Aquatica, along with Universal. Guests can easily save money by taking the shuttle to the parks. This way, you don't need to pay for parking. Plus, there's no need to worry about driving back to the hotel. Easily a win-win. Now that we've covered some of the best hotels near SeaWorld, you know what the greatest part is about all of them? Not only are they all near SeaWorld, but we've also got exclusive deals with all of these hotels, so we can offer you the best rate possible. Head to OrlandoVacation.com to check out some of these exclusive prices so you can book your next Orlando vacation. Now, if you're looking for some more things like tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or just need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.